Hey guys, it's me, Kawaii and my package from Kawaii Land came! Okay. I'm so excited. I waited forever to open this. Oh my gosh! It's my squishy melon bun. So cute. I think this is a glad face. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Oh, this is my little brother's. And oh my gosh! It's my Rolakuma honey bread. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so adorable. Whoa. Oh my gosh! This is huge. Oh my goodness, this is ginormous. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that's insane. Oh my goodness, it's so squishy. It's like, it's a cat face. Oh my goodness. That's insanely squishy, guys. Oh my goodness. It looks so realistic. It's so cool. Oh, and here's a smiley face strap. I think I got one more. Oh no, that's it, guys. Well, that's so awesome. The kitty's cute. And I really like my honey bread. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. And my melon bun. And my brother's. It's so cute. So yeah, that's what I got. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so happy. I've been waiting forever. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video. Bye!